Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Thursday, July 29th, and this is your morning market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher today ahead of data on weekly jobless claims and an earnings report from Exxon Mobil. The Labor Department will report weekly jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. In corporate news, Exxon Mobil is expected to report earnings of $1.46 per share on revenues of $96.86 billion. Motorola posted second quarter EPS of 9 cents ex items ahead of the street estimate of 8 cents per share. Net sales for the company were $5.41 billion, down from the year-ago period's net sales of $5.49 billion. Analysts expected $5.19 billion. And taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 45 points above fair value. The S&P 500 futures trading 5.5 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq trading 6.5 points above fair value. Now for more perspective on what's happening in the markets today, let's turn it to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Hey, Christy. Well, the Dow snapped its 4-day winning streak yesterday, really on the back of a weaker than expected durable goods number, and also the Fed's beige book came out, and it was a bit more pessimistic than some investors had hoped. But this morning, futures have firmed up. We had good numbers out of Visa last night, and also news in the big pharma space. Sanofi and Ventus reported that its board approved a $70 per share offer for Genzyme, so we're seeing some activity there. But today is another full day on the earnings calendar. We have Exxon, Kellogg, Wynn Resorts. We've already had Motorola out this morning. They did beat by a penny, and that stock is indicated higher by about 4%. So far, we're seeing corporate earnings be very supportive of equity prices. Now we'd like to see the broader economy in terms of the economic data kind of pick up as well and start to become supportive. On that front, we do have jobless claims out at 8:30. That number hasn't really budged from this mid 400,000 level. The expectation is for 460,000. But we'd like to start to see that number come down so we can get a feeling that there are some new net jobs being created in the economy. Yesterday I mentioned that the 200-day moving average was a key level. We did close below that yesterday, so now we're going to have to watch and see if that's going to act as some kind of resistance level. But as we approach August, we've already had kind of tepid volume here in the market the past several weeks. August is probably going to be even lighter in terms of volume. So we could just chop along here. I think that's your best case scenario, but there probably is risk that we do roll over, kind of retrace some of the recent gains we've had in July.
All right, thanks so much, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more earnings headlines.